Alright, so this is homework questions for your Unit 10. This is Lesson 1. They're the homework questions. They're not practice questions. So they're different but similar. Alright, let's get to it. So we're ordering an extra large pizza. That's an 18-inch diameter. And it's cut into 12 regular slices. What's the area? Okay, remember area is radius, not diameter. They do this a lot, so make sure you're always in radius. Remember the radius is the diameter divided by 2, which is 18 inches divided by 2, which is 12 inches. Inches, units matter. Make sure you're including your units in your work. Alright, so area equals pi r squared. So pi times your 9, oh, it's 12, oops. Where did I get 12 from? That's not right at all. Man, how did I get 9 inches? So I was right, 9 inches squared. Okay, so from here, it's gonna be pi. So I guess I could do this all on a calculator. Remember, this is 9 inches squared. You're squaring the 9 and the units. Alright, so it's going to be 9 squared, which is 81, times pi equals, so it's going to be 254.5 inches squared. Alright, if they're cut into 6 even slices, what fraction of the pieces are, if they were cut precisely equal, what fraction of the percentage are 6 slices? Now, this is a weird question how to ask them, right? So if you were to cut 360 degrees, okay, divided by 6 is 60. So you go 360 divided by 12 is 30. Okay, so 360 divided by 6 is 60. Well, let's see what's the different way to do this? How about if I do 360 divided by 1/2, whoops, 360 divided by 1/2. 360 divided by 1/2 is 0.5. Okay, what fraction of the percentage? What fraction and percentage of the pizza is 6 slices? So what are they trying to ask here? Okay, precisely and equally. So I think they're trying to ask you 6 slices. Hold on. I'll pause it for a second. Alright, so that's how you do it. Alright, so if it was cut equally, what fraction and percentage of it would be 6 slices? So that means that they took 360 and they cut it into 12 slices, right? And that's 30. So 12 of those slices. So we took 6 of those slices and we divided by it. So it's 180 degrees of that 360 degrees. So that's 180, or your 6 slices of your 12 slices of your 12 slices, or 180 degrees of your 360 degrees, right? So it's 1/2 or 50%. That's what they're trying to tell you. All right, so what's the area of it, right? So your area is your 254.5 square inches. So they're trying to say, hey, take half of that area and take that area and multiply it by half, right? So it's going to be 254.5 inches squared. Divide that by 2, right? So it's going to be 254.5 divided by 2, and there you go. It's equals 127.25 inches squared. Now, what is the center angle? Well, how do we figure that out? Right, so we took 100 and what is the center angle? Yeah, we did that. We already figured that out. It's 180 degrees, right? Because we did 100. We did 360 divided by 12, and then we multiplied it by those 6. So it's 180 degrees at central angle, right? Because if we took that circle, split it evenly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's awful. And then we took the 6 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At half is that 180 degrees. Okay, if what the fraction is 8 slices, so 8 slices would be 2 more, right? So that's going to be that 30 degrees times 8. That's going to be 240 degrees. So, or 8 twelfths. 8 twelfths, right? So 8 twelfths times 360 is 240. I answered the question too much 3/4, right? Because you can do 8 over 12. 2/3, not 3/4. 2/3. All right, so that is that part of the pizza, and then the area is going to be 2/3 times that, and then it's all repeating itself, right? So 8. So 2/3, our central angle already was 240 degrees. So 2/3 of this is 254 inches. 254.5 times 2 equals, divided by 3 equals 169.67 inches squared. 254.5 inches squared times 2/3 equals that. And then if they were cut, okay, what is 1 slice? So 1 slice would be 1/12. Okay, and then what's the area? It's going to be 1/12 of 254.5 inches squared. So whatever 254.5 times 1 equals, divided by 12 equals, it's going to be 21.2 inches squared, and the central angle is 30 degrees. We already figured that out. Okay, so that is how you do all that stuff. It's pretty straightforward. Let's go on to number 2. I guess I'll pause this and do the one for number 2.